Did you know wing flaps aren't just for show? Over 99% of commercial planes use them on every flight. Here's why they matter. Wing flaps are clever little panels at the back of an aircraft's wings. When the plane is taking off or landing, pilots lower the flaps. This changes the wing shape, giving the plane extra lift at slower speeds. More lift means safer, smoother takeoffs and landings without needing a super long runway. But here's the twist. Flaps also add drag, slowing the plane down just when it needs it most. Next time you fly, peek out the window during takeoff or landing, it's soaked some. Spot those moving flaps? Now you know, those simple panels are engineering heroes.